There is a river, the streams whereof shall make glad the city of God. Let it flow. Oh, na 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 na. River flow never run dry. From the throne up in the sky, crystal waters testify, Jah truth never lie. From the rock the water stream, more than just a simple dream. Living word redeemed, wash I clean within. River of Zion flow through me, set my heart and spirit free, like the roots beside the tree, firm in eternity. River of Zion, pure and white, grace and mercy side by side. Let your presence be my guide, forever I abide. Wash my soul, purify, tears of joy now fill my eye. Burden lifted, testify, old man crucified. Every drop a healing sign, grace and mercy intertwine. Drink it deep, renew the mind, leave the past behind. Out of your belly shall flow rivers of living water. Yeah, thirst no more, the well is near. Perfect love remove all fear. Voice of truth I clearly hear, Zion drawing near. Desert place begin to bloom, life arise out of the tomb. Fragrance chase away